Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today we've got an only short video, okay? It's not a long one. First I'll show you the video which reminded me about one idea I had. So this is a video which reminded me. So that's Robert, that's a really lovely gentleman. Maybe let's change the pose, oh, here, yes. So that pose was a bit fishy one, let's say. But here Robert looks in the best possible way. So it's 1894 episode and it's Tide and Wave Power. Why I want to talk to you about it? I want to talk to you about it because Robert here in this video, I'll attach the URL to this video, this particular video, and Robert's YouTube channel in the same link. But let me explain, if possible, for the next few minutes what I meant. Okay, so way back, I was thinking about having an electricity generation, and now I'm going for solar, yes, photovoltaics. But I like the like a divergence with the systems, not only one to fit all. So I'm thinking a bit of a solar, few kilowatts of solar maybe in total, if I will be able to fit in the yard. On top of that, I would like to build a wind one, so that's why I'm watching Robert's stuff now, what he's doing. But that will be next, so that probably next year, not 2023, but 2024. Still, I'm learning just a bit, watching. He've got a viewer, he've got a subscriber, and so on. So I was thinking, what if we would do 3 systems in one for household generation? Now what I meant like this. If at the top or in the places around the premises here somewhere, I could put few solar panels, and these would produce, let's say, 1-2 kilowatts of energy, 1 kilowatt hour, yes, let's say. And now what's happening is, let's say I would have a storage, and that storage would be somewhat full, and I could use that storage, let's say, at night and during the daytime, of course, as well, which would be more power. But if I would supplement it with a wind, maybe I would have big IBC at the top, at least 1 ton, yes, which is 1,000 kilograms for those who don't know. And have it, like no higher than, let's say, 3 meters. No way I would be able to have it more than 3 meters. And I was wondering, what would be the energy, what the wattage I could produce from dropping that 1 ton of water to the bottom. I don't care what energy I would use it to take it up, because whatever energy is left over from wind production, from electricity production, I could use then to transfer that water back to the top. And then again, when there's no wind, when there's no sun, this could be let go and this could drop down by filling the batteries, yes? So that's what I was thinking. And I was thinking, would it be efficient at all? Would it be something worth investigating, yes? And so that video have reminded me about it, and it's like one of those things which you don't have to do, but you can. And it's like to have it good to have it in mind, and then maybe do some research. So what I was thinking, I'm no expert, and I couldn't get this answer myself. So what to do? And guess what I've done? And I've asked ChatGPT. I don't know how reliable this answer can be, and how much we can trust it, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Okay, so I've asked this question. I will only read the questions. You see the content, you can pause, and you can check if the data is valid or not, because for me, looks really legit, yes? I don't know, how possible it is, of course. So is it possible to calculate how much electrical energy we can produce from 1 ton of water when we release it from a higher to a lower level? Yes. The good thing is that yes, it's possible to calculate. Yes, so that's what I wanted. And of course it talked to us about kilojoules. Well, I don't care about kilojoules, give me some better numbers than that, yes? So are we able to calculate wattage if the efficiency of the system would be 90%, yes? So it said yes, we can calculate the wattage, yes, and that's, of course, there are few variables which we need to take into calculation, of course, but you know, it is more than possible to calculate it. So look, if we would have 100 meters, let's say, yes, 100 meters, and in 10 seconds, if we would let it go, yes, well, that's a lot and a lot, yes, that's 88.3 kilowatts. Well, come on. We could do 2 tons, that's more achievable, but come on, 3 meters is the max anybody will be able to drop it, yes? So I had to ask the question one more time. What if we'd have only 3 meters water drop and not 100 meters? How many watts then we could produce? And look, the same 1 ton of water would produce, yes, would still produce us, oh, I need to move it. Oh, I can't move. Why I can't move? I wanted to show you. Why I can't move? Oh. Talking, guys, I know what I... Okay, sorry, it's me. Okay, so that's the end, yes? So 5.3 kilowatts, look, still a lot, yes? So what if we would be, let's say, 50% only efficient, not 90% efficient? You know, because we are only efficient 50%. Guys, that's still a lot of wattage, yes? What if we would do 2 tons? Then it's more than possible to have those 5 kilowatts produced, yes, because we don't know what the efficiency we will reach in affordable way. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking, you know, this year add solar panels, next year adjust the system, of course add the batteries and inverters, that's why we will be building here, and then next year think about the wind, maybe, you know, prepare this year, build some wind turbine. If I would be able to produce, let's say, another 500 watts energy from wind, I know of people who've got like 400 watts, no problem. They've got 500 watts wind turbines, which really producing about 400 watts, yes? So I would say, wow, that's on top of what I have. If I would be able to do 1 kilowatt, that would be awesome, yes? I don't believe that I can build such efficient wind turbine myself, but based on what I see at Robert's Mari's videos, it's doable, yes? The only question is how much wind I can get here on this side, or maybe better on this side, yes? So connecting these 2 systems into one, and then whatever we can overproduce by asking ourselves a question, is it worth, yes? Because what I'm trying to achieve here is there's not always this wind, or there's not always this sun, and especially in Scotland you don't have a lot of sun, especially in winter, yes? Then again, this system would have to be closed and I couldn't use water, because in the winter, if that water would freeze, this whole idea would collapse, okay? So the question is what to use instead of water, which of course will be easily transferable, those 2-3 meters, and which of course will be not flammable. We don't want to do it with petroleum. But anyways, that's it, that's what I'm thinking of. Let me know what you think, if you wanna, and if you find it attractive, or you find some errors, issues with those calculations, please let me know as well. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one, bye bye.